Setting up a traffic campaign on Quora. Hey there, friends! You just saw how easy it is to set up an advertising campaign on Quora, as well as a variety of advertising features that Quora has for you. The awareness campaign we helped you create in the previous lesson will help you to grow your presence within the Quora platform. But if you want to get users to learn more about your business outside of Quora, you will need to run a different type of campaign. That is why in this lesson, we're going to teach you how to create a traffic campaign that will help you send more targeted traffic from Quora to your website. Creating a traffic campaign. Start on the Ads Manager dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, enter the name of your new traffic campaign into the campaign name field. Next, select Traffic as your campaign objective. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Select your budget strategy, and then enter your total budget into the budget field. Now select your schedule strategy, and then click on Continue to move to the next step. Now it is time to create the ad set. First, enter the name of the new ad set into the ad set name field. Next, select your primary targeting. For this example, we are going to select contextual targeting. Then we will select topic in the targeting type column. Then we are going to enter the topics where we want to show the ad into the targeted topics field. Now you have to enter your target locations. To select your target devices, mobile platforms, and desktop browsers, to enable or disable email targeting, to select your demographic targeting, and to select targeting exclusions. Lastly, go to the Set a Bid section to select your ad delivery strategy. There are two strategies available: Optimize for clicks and impressions. For this example, we are going to select Optimize for clicks. This strategy lets you optimize your ads to get clicks, and you only pay when people click through to your website. Next, enter your maximum bid into the bid field, and then click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad and launching the campaign. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by entering the name of your new ad into the ad name field. Next, you have to select your ad format. For this example, we are going to select text ad. After selecting your ad format, move to the Creative section to customize the ad. First, customize the business name. Next, enter your ad headline into the headline sentence field. Now enter your ad copy into the body text field. Then click on the Call to Action drop-down menu button to select the call to action for your ad. Now move to the URL formatting section. Enter your website or landing page URL into the landing page URL field. You can click on Continue after you complete all configurations on this page. Lastly, review your ad settings, submit a payment method, and then click on Complete Order to pay for your ad and launch your traffic campaign.